Today we're going to make a quick video on how to modify the settings on your machine to remember the last level you used. Normally the machine comes at factory setting and it comes as is. It comes at level 1, alkaline level 1, and it should remember the last number you used, once you turn it off.
Alkaline level 5 selected.
But if you want to change that, and for instance, someone likes alkaline 5, but you prefer alkaline level 3 or 2, you could change it. So the last person that used alkaline 5, and then next time you turn it back on, it'll go back to alkaline 3 or 2, whatever you prefer. So we're going to go ahead and do a quick step on how to do that. So the machine has to be off, and to enter into that menu mode you have to press and hold alkaline 1 and 2 at the same time. You're going to cycle with alkaline 1 through the settings, and you could do this. It'll cycle all the way around. This is where you modify that alkaline setting, but you could go all the way around, as you see, and go back to the same setting even if you passed it. To move up and down the setting, the number that's going to change is the second number. So P dash is always going to be there. The second number is the one you can move. But to do that, you could use the acidic 1 and 2. 1 is to move up and acidic is to move down. Okay, so if you put it on P0, that means it's going to remember the last number that you use. Actually, I'm sorry. If you do P0 P-0, it's going to remember alkaline 1. It's always going to revert to alkaline 1. So we're going to do a quick sample right now. So P0, okay, and then to leave it at that setting, you're going to use alkaline 1 and alkaline 2 again. Press it at one time so it remembers that.
Alkaline level 1 selected.
So as you see, it went to alkaline 1. So if I put it on alkaline 5,
level 5 selected,
and then turn it off, and then turn it back on, it should revert back to alkaline 1.
Alkaline level 1 selected.
Okay, and the same thing with the next one. So P-0 is alkaline 1, P-1 is alkaline 2, P-2 is alkaline 3, P-3 is alkaline 4, and then P-5 is whatever last number you left it on. It's going to remember. So we're going to go ahead and change the number again. Remember, cycle with the alkaline till you get to the P-0. So remember, that was P-0 is alkaline 1. That's the last. It's always going to revert to that number. If you do P-1, it's going to revert always to 2. No, let's do that for example. So P-1, we're going to go ahead and program that. Turn the machine on.
Alkaline level
So it went to 2.
selected.
But to show you what it does, we're going to go ahead and select, let's select, for example, alkaline 1.
Alkaline level 1 selected.
You turn it off, and when you turn it back on, it should go back to alkaline 2 because that's what you programmed it to remember.
Alkaline level 2 selected.
Okay, we're going to go ahead and do P-2, and then it should go to 3. So we're going to do this a couple times so we could get it how to do it. So once again, P-1 is alkaline 2. So to move the setting, use acidic. So P-2 should be alkaline 3. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and program it with alkaline 1 and 2.
Alkaline level 3 selected.
We're going to go ahead and select alkaline 1.
Alkaline level 1 1 selected.
All right. And then we're going to go ahead and turn it off. And once you turn it back on again, then you're going to see that it's going to remember the alkaline 3, how we programmed it. So it should go back from
Alkaline level 3
alkaline
selected.
1 to 3. Okay? And that's how you change those settings. P-5 will remember whatever number you used last, and it will stay there. It won't move from there. And we're going to go ahead and do that. So you're to enter the mode, you're going to press alkaline 1 and 2 at the same time. If it doesn't go in there, go ahead and do it again. So, okay, so we're going to go ahead and go to P-2. Remember, that was alkaline 3. And P-3 is going to be alkaline 4. So now we're going to go ahead and move the setting to P-5. P-5 remembers the last setting, and it's always going to be the last setting you used, and it's always going to stay there. Let's go ahead and turn it on.
Alkaline level 3 selected.
So now we're going to go ahead and select alkaline 4.
Alkaline level 4 selected.
We're going to go ahead and turn it off. And when you turn it back on, it should remember alkaline 4. It shouldn't go anywhere.
Alkaline level 4 selected.
Okay? And the same thing with alkaline 5. You select alkaline 5. Let's turn it off. It should remember that level for next time you use it.
Alkaline level 5 selected.
All right? Let's do one more. One more. Alkaline 1.
Selected.
Let's turn it off.
Alkaline level 1 selected.
And that's how you set the settings on your machine to remember the last setting you used.